Hello all, good to see you again. Today we will discuss IGCSE past papers 22 May June 2020. That is additional math paper 2. We start with question number 3. Find the value of k for which the line y equals x minus 3 intersects the curve y equals k squared x squared plus 5kx plus 1 at two distinct points. Now, that is the intersection problem leading to quadratic equation. Thus, we solve this equation, that is the equation of straight line and this equation of the curve simultaneously. Thus, y equals y, thus this y equals this y, thus k squared x squared plus 5kx plus 1 equals x minus 3. And then all the term the right hand side shift to the left hand side, thus k squared x squared plus 5kx minus x terus 1 plus 3 is 4 equals 0. And then k squared x squared plus 5k minus 1 times x plus 4 equals 0. Now, since the line intersect the curve at two distinct points, thus the discriminant of this equation more than 0. Discriminant equals b squared minus 4ac more than 0. A is k squared and b 5k minus 1 and c is 4. Do substitute in this formula. B, that is 5k minus 1 squared minus 4 times this is a k squared, 4 times k squared times c is 4 more than 0. And then expand this one, thus that is 5k squared is 25k squared minus 2 times 5k times 1, that is minus 10k plus 1. Minus 4k squared times 4, that is minus 16k squared more than 0. 25k squared minus 16k squared, that is 9k squared minus 10k plus 1 more than 0. And then factorization here, that is 9k minus 1 times k minus 1 more than 0. And here we draw the sign change of the discriminant, and this is the critical value. So thus when 9k minus 1 equals 0, we obtain k is 1 over 9, and when k minus 1 is 0, k is 1. No, here there are three intervals. One intervals when k less than 1 over 9, one interval when k in between 1 over 9 and 1, then one interval when k more than 1. No, we want to find the change in each interval. Here, for example, we choose k0. Yeah, when we substitute k here 0, we obtain that is plus 1. Thus we need only the sign plus 1. That is why the sign here plus, and here will be negative, and here will be positive. Yeah, we can check, for example, if we choose k2 here, we substitute in this quadratic, we will find the value of this will be plus. No, we want to find when the b squared minus 4ac more than 0. Thus in this sign diagram where the sign is plus, thus that is when k less than 1 over 9 or k more than 1. Thus that is the answer for this question. Thus the values of k for which this line and that curve intersect at two distinct points, that is when k less than 1 over 9 or k more than 1. Now question number 4. The three roots of px equals 0, where px equals 2x cubed plus ax squared plus bx plus c, are x equals half, x equals n, and x equals minus n, where a, b, c, and n are integers. The y-intercept of the graph y equals px is 4. Find px simplifying your coefficients. We see the roots of this cube equation, that is half n minus n. Thus we can write px in terms of factors, that is when x is half, thus that is the factor is 2x minus 1, because if 2x minus 1 equals 0, x is half. And if the roots is n, x, the factor is x minus n, and when the roots is minus n, thus the factor is x plus n. Thus px equals to x minus 1 times x minus n times x plus n. Now brackets multiplied here, we obtain this one times that one, that is x squared minus n squared, and then again here brackets multiplication, we obtain that is 2x cubed minus x squared minus 2n squared x plus n squared. And here is they said that the y-intercept of the graph ypx is 4. Thus when x0 p equals 4, that is why here p0 equals 4. And when x0 px0, thus here 0 0 0 left over n squared, n squared equals 4. Now we substitute n squared 4 in this equation, thus we obtain px equals 2x cubed minus x squared, and n squared is 4, thus minus 2 times 4, that is minus 8x, and then here n squared is 4, thus this is the px. Yeah. Question number 5. Solution to this question by accurate drawing will not be accepted. The points A and B are 4,3 and 12,7 respectively. A. Find the equation of the line L, the perpendicular bisector of the line AB. Thus here this is diagram to visualize the problem. Thus we have 2 points, points A and points B. Thus this is the straight line connecting point A and B. And this is the line L, that is perpendicular bisector of line AB. Thus perpendicular bisector means this line L perpendicular to line AB, and the line L pass through midpoints of point A and point B. Thus first we calculate the gradient of line AB. Thus slope or gradient of line AB, MAB, that is minus 7 minus 3 divided by 12 minus 4. Yeah? Minus 7 minus 3 divided by 12 minus 4, that is minus 10 over 8 is equals minus 5 over 4. Now the slope of line L, that is perpendicular to line IB, thus slope of line L, that is minus 1 divided by slope of line AB. Minus 1 divided by minus 5 over 4, that is 4 over 5. Now the midpoint of point A and B, that is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Thus this is the x1 4 plus 12 divided by 2, and the y is 3 plus minus 7 divided by 2. Thus 16 divided by 2, that is 8, and then this one minus 4 divided by 2 minus 2. Thus the coordinate of this midpoint, that is 8 comma minus 2. Now thus we know the slope of this line, and then we know that this line passed through this point, midpoint. Thus the equation is y minus 2 equals the slope of line L, that is 4 over 5 times x minus 8, and that is equals y equals 4 over 5x minus 8 2 over 5. Thus this is the answer for A, that is the equation of this perpendicular bisector. Question B. The line parallel to AB, which passes through the point 5,12 intersect L or line L at the point C. Find the coordinates of point C. Now this is the diagram to visualize the problems. Those line passes through 5,12, which is parallel to line AB. That is this line. Thus this line is parallel to line AB, and this line is intersect with line L at point C. The question is, what is the coordinate of this point C? Now the slope or gradient of this line, that is equals to slope of line AB, because this line is parallel to line AB. Thus M, slope of this line, that is minus 5 over 4. Thus equation of this line, that is y minus 12 equals minus 5 over 4x minus 5. That is y equals minus 5 over 4x plus 18 1 over 4 to find the coordinate of C, thus we solve simultaneously equation of this line and equation of line L. Thus we solve simultaneously this is the equation of the line and the equation of line L. Thus if we subtract this from that, the y minus y, that is 0, minus 5 over 4x minus 5 over 5x, that is minus 2.005x, and then 18 1 over 4 minus 8 2 over 5, that is 26, 13 over 20. From here we obtain x is 13. Now x is 13, we substitute in one of this equation. Thus we substitute in this equation. Thus y is 4 over 5 times 13 minus 8 2 over 5. Thus y equals 2. Thus the coordinate of point C, that is 13,2. Thus this is the answer for B. Now that is all, and thank you.